Want to turn your knowledge into income? GoHighLevel makes it easier than ever to package and sell your expertise. Here is how. Start with a simple funnel, a landing page that captures the leads, and thank you page and a checkout page for your course, coaching or consulting. Inside GoHighLevel, set up automations to send confirmation emails, onboarding material, or even direct access to your membership area. Use emails and SMS sequences to nurture your clients, then upsell them into a higher ticket offers like one-on-one coaching or premium group programs. And that's how you turn your expertise into a scalable business with GoHighLevel. Simple, automated, and built to grow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.